What's up, LNC fam? Welcome back to another video. It's your boy Dr. Vlad in the house, and we're back on this beauty part 3. If you guys haven't seen part 1, part 2, I'll put a link in the description. You guys could check it out so you guys could be up to date. In this video, we're gonna start prepping the fenders and painting everything and start putting the car back together, getting the car ready for delivery. We're gonna give it a quick wash and detail, and it's good to go. So I wanna say a big thank you to you guys for watching, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. So Andre is prepping the fenders. Let's go check it out and see exactly what he's doing.
Go on YouTube. This is LNC painter Andre. I'll be prepping these Lamborghini fenders today. So we're gonna sand them all down, prep them for paint, prep the forged carbon, mask them all off. We'll put white sealer on them, white base coat, and then we'll unmask the forged carbon and put clear all over it, so there's no transition line between this. We'll do a spray out, make sure the color is good so we don't have to paint any other body parts, and install them, send her on our way. That's the chip, the LY9C. Audi, Lamborghini color. Same thing. What G color code? LY9C. Yeah, this should work.
So it should work, ladies and gentlemen. put the base, so we're ready to clear the fenders, and we removed all the tape. So yeah, so now we'll just clear the whole fender all together, and this way we're not gonna have any lines going around the air vent. And it's gonna look clean. Wow, look at this, so far so good. And same with this one. The fenders are already painted, they're dry and ready to go. We'll start installing them, so let's take a look. Boom, check it out. Came out perfect. And yeah, you can't feel the lines, so there's no lines, there's no break, nothing. So came out super clean. And here's the other one, same thing. So right now I'm gonna tape everything so I don't scratch any parts, and start installing the fenders and then rockers, front bumper, front lip, and pretty much getting the car ready for a detail. So super excited to see what this car is gonna look, the final product. So let's get to work. Everything is masked and ready to go, so we'll start installing the driver's fenders first. We're finished with this side. Gaps are looking perfect. Color matches on point. Wow, super happy. Let's take a closer look. Gaps, hood and the fender gap is perfect. Same with the door. And for the final, the headlight. Boom, perfect. Oh, we could start doing the passenger fender and same process. Let's do it. That's it, we're finished with this side as well. Gaps are looking perfect. Let's take a look. Boom, check out this gap, perfect. Same with the fender and door. Bam. And same with the headlight. Boom, perfect. So now we could start installing the front bumper and the front lip. Let me show you guys the front lip. Bam, check it out, look at this beauty. And that's gonna look so nice. So yeah, we'll start installing the lip on the bumper and then we'll install the bumper. We're ready to install the lip. So I put double tape everywhere and I hooked it up. Check it out. So yeah, double tape everywhere and then I'm going to secure it with screws. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 screws and bunch of double tape. So let's install it. That is it, lip is installed. Let's take a look. Bam, look at this. That looks so nice. So now we're ready to install the bumper. That looks sick. Check it out. So I just threw it on and now I'll pull all the bolts, but take a look at it. It looks so nice. Damn. Then for the final, we'll install the rocker moldings. Just installed the bumper, everything fits perfect. Man, I love this front lip, such an aggressive look now. But yeah, gaps are perfect, everything lines up. So next, we're gonna install the rocker molding, the side skirts. Here are the new ones. Forged carbon. So right now I just gotta transfer this grill, this old one to the new one, and then we'll start installing the rockers on the car. Just transferred the grill to the new side skirt and we're ready to install it. Boom, so here's the new grill. But yeah, everything looks good. Time to install it. Fender liner, under shield, bumpers, side skirts, everything installed. Put together is the trunk and we're done. Ready for wash and quick detail and ready for delivery. So let's take a look. Boom, side skirts installed. fender liners as well. Everything at the bottom. All the shields are in. Same with this side. And then the rocker. Lamborghini Performante is all completely together and ready for detail. Let's check out the trunk. Boom. Everything's together and ready to go. We're gonna do a quick wash and detail and ready for delivery. That is it, guys. Lamborghini Performante is washed, detailed, and ready to go. Man, it came out nice. Love it. Super happy with everything. So what do you guys think? Comment below. And that's a wrap for this build. Thank you guys for watching. If you're new to this channel, make sure to subscribe, turn on your bell notification. We got more projects coming, so you guys don't want to miss out. So thank you once again, and I'll catch you guys in the next build. До свидания!